Hello guys, welcome back to my how to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a heart on the iPhone status bar. First, open the settings app on your device, scroll down and tap on the focus option. Next, look at the top right corner and click on the plus icon to add a new customized option. Look for the custom option and tap on it. Now, you will see multiple icons. Look for the heart icon and click on it. Next, choose the background color and name based on your preference. Once you are done, then click on Next. You can also customize it by clicking on the Customize Focus to silence the notifications. If you don't want to customize, then go back to the focus page in the settings. The customized option is created in the focus mode list. You can access it from the control center. Open the control center, then tap and hold on to the focus icon and a pop-up menu will appear. Now, find the newly created customized option and tap on it. Next, go back to the home screen and you will see the heart icon on the status bar of the screen, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.